on frozen ice, in their tuxedos, looking nice. They flap their wings, but they don't fly. They dive and swim, oh my, oh my. They huddle up in winter's freeze and slide around with such great ease. It's the animal parade, come along and play. Learn a little more every single day. From the sky to the sea, on the land we roam. Animals everywhere make the world their home. Deep in the ocean, who could it be? An octopus hiding cleverly, with 8 long arms and a squirt of ink. They change their color in a wink. They squeeze through spaces, twist and glide. A clever creature that loves to hide. Up in the trees, hear that sound? A monkey swinging round and round with curly tails and fingers too. They grab their snacks and peek at you. They chatter loud and love to play in jungle trees all through the day. It's the animal